Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like this look, then keep on watching. I am going to show you step by step how I achieved this. So I'm starting with my Shah Diamond Plus Moisturizing Cream. It is very moisturizing, and I'm using this MAC combination, MAC Studio Fix Plus foundation mixed with a highlighter, which is by K Beauty, a liquid highlighter, and blending it well into my face. Once I have that layer on, I'm using a little more of the foundation to get a little more coverage, and I don't use too much foundation in one go because that kinds of look cakey, so I'd like to build it on. And once I've blended everything, I go with the concealer, and it's a cream concealer, so I'm using a very sparing amount under my eyes just to give that flawless effect, and blending with the beauty blender, and I'm mixing the blush, liquid blush by elf, with the liquid highlighter, and this is a very effective way of achieving that glowy blushed cheek without having clown cheeks. So this is a nice tip that you can do. The blush by elf is an absolute favorite, and now you can set everything, especially under your eyes, with a loose powder or a compact powder, whatever you have at home. Doing my brows, you know, brows are an important step in my makeup because I have very sparse hair, very fine hair. So I take my time to do my brows. And I'm using a brow pencil by Insight Cosmetics in the shade brown. It is pretty waxy and it is not very pigmented, so it's very easy to work with. And it also has a brush on the other hand, on the other side. Also using a brow mascara by NYX. It helps me, uh, you know, groom my brow hairs, and it gives a very nice editorial kind of a look. So for the lashes, I'm using a mascara called Stretch Out by Makeup Revolution. This is not a waterproof mascara. Now I'm dabbing my lips onto this tissue to take out the excess lip oil that I had, and lining my lips with a lip pencil by Insight Cosmetics. So this color is pretty warm toned. Okay, so it is a peachy brown lip pencil color, and it is quite long lasting, I would say. So lining my lips, I'm not overlining them. I'm just lining it just above my natural lip contour, and making sure that I am not, you know, going too much above my natural line. And now's the time for the lipstick. I'm using the shade Worth It by L'Oreal Paris. This is a very flattering nude color for medium to fair skin tones, and that's the finished look. And that's it. I like to style my hair in a messy way, and this is how I like to carry my hair, very messy, very easy to do. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Thank you so much for your time.